Okay, then in this video we'll create a free tier account in Amazon Web Services. Alright, so for that you need to go to the official website of the Amazon Web Services, which is aws.amazon.com. Alright, so to use AWS you first need to create an account with them. So for that you need two things. So the first thing is a phone number to validate your identity. In other words, they will send a verification code to your phone number. The second thing is a credit card, but don't worry, if you use their services within the given limits, they will not charge you. All right, so we'll talk about those limits in later videos. So now let's proceed with the process of signing up to AWS services. But I would like to point out that when you register as a verification of bank account, they will take $1 from your bank account. They usually do not proceed with a charge. You can see that $1 in your spending in your bank account, and it usually disappears in 1 week or so. So it is temporary, all right? So this is done because they need to know that your credit card is still valid. So the sign up process consists of 5 steps, which we'll do together. So for now, we need to go to this top right corner and click on this create an AWS account, which will take us to the next page where we can start the registration. So here you need to write your email address. Please type your email address. Then password, so and your password should be a minimum of 8 characters, and it should include 3 combinations of the followings. So it should include at least uppercase, lowercase, numbers. It would be 1 combination, or another combination might be uppercase, lowercase, and 1 non-alphanumeric symbols. Sorry, non-alphanumeric symbol. All right. So let's type it. And also it should not be identical to your AWS account name or email address. So this one, all right? So email address and account name we'll write later on, and it should not be the same. So type your password, and you need to confirm your password. Then afterwards you need to give an AWS account name. You can give it whatever you want. So then click continue. So then you need to select account type, and in this form you also need to include your contact information. So your full name. By the way, regarding this professional or personal, so you need to select professional if you would like to use AWS account within your organization. Like for instance, if you are using it at work or etc. for your business. And I will select personal because I'm gonna use it for personal use. So for personal cases. So now I will write my full name, then your phone number, so then country, so address, and then city, and then state, and lastly postal code. And then you need to check this one if you agree to the terms of the AWS. So create account and continue. Just click on this button. So then you need to specify in here your credit card number. Just do that one. So, and then below you can select billing address or use a new address. So I will use billing address. For my billing address, I will use my contact address because it's the same. So verify and add, and as a verification now it will charge you $1, and but don't worry, they usually do not proceed with the charge. All right. So now we need to select which kind of verification. How should we send you the verification? So we need to select the verification method, whether it's going to be text or voice call. So I'm going to do it via SMS or text message. So that's why I will select the first one. Then country or region code, it's going to be Australia in my case. So then cell phone number. So then you need to type the security check code. I'll just refresh this one. Okay, then send SMS, and then they should send you a verification code, which you need to then enter in here. All right, just wait a couple of seconds. So in my case, it has arrived. So it's in my case 0661, but in your case, it's gonna be different. Just type yours, all right? And verify code, and it says your identity has been verified successfully, and then now we can continue. So in here, we need to select a support plan. So we need to select basic because it's a one for free. And there are other ones like developer plan and business plan. So please select basic one. So then here you can personalize your experience, and here you can select your role and your interests. And afterwards, AWS will send you recommendations based on your selected preferences. All right. So I'm not going to do that one. If you want, you can do that. So then you can click on this one, sign in to the console button. And then in here, we need to specify if we want to sign in as a root user or as an IAM user. So for now, please select this one, root user, and we will discuss signing in as an IAM user later on. So please select root user, and then in here, we need to type root user email address. And please make sure you type the email address which you used when you created your AWS account. So now I will write my root user email address. Then we need to type a password. So, and again, this is a password that you specified in the previous step. I mean, when you created your AWS account. So write your password. So if you typed your email address and password correctly, then AWS should sign you in. So this is an AWS Management Console. So you can read it in here, AWS Management Console. And from here, you manage your AWS services. So basically, that's it regarding this video. And in the next one, I'll give you a quick tour of this AWS Management Console. So please watch the next video.